My biggest fear is having to get a job at 58 years old. After working 40 years of 9 to 5 and missing out on time at my daughter's school, building someone else's dream, I just knew I couldn't go back to it anymore. The thought of being micromanaged again and having someone constantly questioning my every move or deciding when I could take a break, eat lunch, or just go on a vacation was really not the way that I wanted to live, and I knew it. But I had spent so much time sacrificing my life and energy for someone else's success, and I didn't want to do it anymore. But the truth, my husband and I were in debt. And those dreams we had of traveling and living life on our terms were really feeling like they were just so far away from us. No matter how hard I worked, it never seemed to be enough for anybody else, even myself. I tried drop shipping, I did MLMs, I did other side hustles, but nothing gave me the freedom or the income that I needed. And I just kept hitting walls. And every time I just felt more defeated. And then I found a way to turn my love for traveling into a real income stream. And today I wanted to share with you how you can do it too. In this video, I'm going to show you how becoming a travelpreneur can let you earn income while you are exploring the world and traveling and living life on your own terms. So you're probably wondering, why should I listen to you, Renee? Well, let me tell you, I didn't think I could do this either. I had zero tech skills. I had no idea where to start. I had so many failed attempts that were behind me. But then I found a step-by-step system that worked for people that are just like me. They didn't have any fancy skills and they didn't have big pockets that usually you think you're going to need to start your own business. That is what kept me from moving forward in my life for 40 plus years. And I don't want you to do that. I want to save you that headache. So now I've built a business that runs for me while I explore the world, I spend time with my family, and finally I'm living the life that I always dreamed of. I used to literally sit in cubicles and I would think about what I could do with my time that day and how I wish I was going on a vacation, or I wish I just even had the time off for that day. But here's the thing. If I can do it, after everything that I've been through, I know you can too. So let's talk about how to become a travelpreneur. So let's start with step one. Start with something that you absolutely love. The first step to becoming a travelpreneur is figuring out exactly what you love most about travel, because this is where your business is going to begin. Maybe you just love discovering those hidden gems and sharing them with other people and telling them about it. Maybe you're the go-to person for planning amazing trips or finding the best deals. Or maybe you have a knack for storytelling, capturing those amazing sights that you're going to see and sharing them and telling people about them. Showing them those sounds and experiences of your adventures and sharing them with the world. That is what this is about. When you tap into what you truly enjoy about travel, your business doesn't feel like work. It becomes an extension of who you are, and it becomes an extension of what really excites you the most. And the best part is you don't have to have it all figured out right away. You just start small. You share your favorite travel tips, you document your own trips, or you talk about what inspires you to explore. Your passion for traveling is what's going to attract like-minded people to you. It's called attraction marketing. And before you know it, you start building a community of travelers who want to learn from you. You're probably already doing that. You're probably already sharing a lot of this information on your social media, but I want to show you how you can actually take it a step further and learn how to monetize from your passion. Because this isn't really about being perfect. It's about just starting. It's about starting with what makes you happy and letting that guide you through it and through your journey. So how do you build an income stream? You don't need to rely on a traditional job to fund those travels, that I can promise you. Because with digital marketing, affiliate marketing, or selling digital products, which is all of the above for me, you can build an income stream that works for you. You can build multiple streams of income that are going to work for you no matter where you are in the world. You can work from literally anywhere. And for me, digital marketing was the game changer. Because I found out that I didn't have to be tech savvy, which I promise you I wasn't before, or have a lot of experience, I just followed a system that walked me through how to build a business step by step. It's like a business in a box, literally. And all you need to do is just plug into it and follow it and learn from it. That's it. It's super, super simple to follow and learn from. Step 3 is you want to automate your business, no matter what business you're in. Automation is my best friend, like seriously my best friend. It allows your business to keep running for you while you're out exploring and traveling or spending time with your family and going to events and doing whatever it is that makes you happy. You'll learn tools like email funnels and social media schedules that are going to make sure your business is working for you 24/7. And the trick here is number 4. Step 4 is stay consistent. I learned about consistency when I did my weight loss. My weight loss journey taught me so much, and consistency is really key. Day in and day out, just doing the same thing. Learn and perfect as you go along. You don't need to be perfect because as you go and you grow, you're going to get experience. And the more experience you get, the better you're going to get. And that's really it. So let me be real with you. It's really not about being perfect. It's just about showing up consistently. Every little thing that you do, whether it's posting content or engaging with your audience, really adds up. And trust me, those small steps will take you further than you even think or anticipate. I promise you that. And watching it all come together as you put those small steps into action and seeing where they go is really, really cool. And it's something that I was told, but I didn't understand it until I got into it. But seeing things evolve from those small steps is huge. And step number 5. You want to plug into a supportive community. And by that, I mean being part of a community of people who are on the same journey as you makes all the difference. It's huge and it's a game changer. I didn't have this when I built my other business online. I didn't have any of this. I didn't have any mentors and I didn't have a group of cheerleaders in my corner cheering me on. And that was really, really difficult. So when you plug into a supportive community and you have millionaire mentors that are pouring into you and teaching you what they did to learn how to do this business, and all you have to do is follow what they're teaching you, it was a no-brainer for me. That is what you need to do. You're never alone on this journey. And that is what's really cool about this, because this community of like-minded people is what's going to drive you for striving even more. And this is where you're going to learn so much information that it's unbelievable. Let me share Renee's story. She's from South Africa. She wasn't tech savvy at all, and she followed the system step by step. She stayed consistent. And in just a few days, guess what? She earned $1,200. Her story really shows you that you don't need to have it all figured out to start. You just need the willingness to show up. You need the willingness to show up and take that first step. Here's the thing. If Renee can do it and I can do it, you can too. There's no reason why you can't if we can. So here are some key things to learn for becoming a travelpreneur. The first thing is freedom starts with action. The hardest part is taking that first step. I promise you, you're not alone. We've all been there. Procrastination sets in. You look at it and you look at it, but you don't know when to start and you don't really want to start because you really want to see the change, but you're not really ready to apply yourself. Well, I have to tell you, that is key. You have to be ready to apply yourself. But once you do, you'll realize that the freedom you've been dreaming of is really right there and it's right in front of you, within reach for you to go get it. And by the way, I have to tell you that nobody is going to give it to you. You have to make things happen. But starting with a system that's going to teach you how to do it, that is key. The second thing you need to do is celebrate those small wins. Every win needs to be celebrated. And every time you take a step forward, whether it's creating a post, learning something new, or reaching out to someone else in your community to learn a little bit more from or to teach them something, you're building momentum. And you need to celebrate those small wins because those small wins are what is going to lead you to the big wins. You've got to start small and let the momentum start and see the snowball in action. And that, my friends, is really, really amazing. Are you ready to start building your dream life as a travelpreneur? If you are, then go ahead and comment travel below, and I'm going to share with you the exact same system that helped me create my lifestyle so that you can do the same thing. So let's talk about how to get started. Step number 1 is you need to plug into a proven system. The very first thing you need to do is find a system that works for you. I've done that already for you. I followed a step-by-step blueprint that was designed for beginners like you and me in mind. And I was a beginner, and it made all the difference in the world to me. You don't have to figure it all out on your own, but I can tell you plugging into a system that is proven to you and is already working is the key. That is one thing I didn't have when I first started, and I really wish I did, because it cost me thousands of dollars in mistakes that I learned on my own, and at the end, I had nothing to show for it. So plug into a system and learn from people who already know how to do this, and it's proven, and they're teaching you how to do it. Step 2 is take consistent daily actions. We already talked about consistency, and I'm going to talk about it again, because consistency, my friends, is where the magic happens. It's not about doing everything all at once. You have to take things in bite-sized pieces, and those bite-sized pieces are going to add up to one big piece. So it's really about showing up every single day, even in those small ways, and that's how you build something that's going to last for you. This isn't just about earning money. It's about building a life that you're excited about. It's about being a travelpreneur so that you can get to explore, make those memories, and create a business that works for you. Unless you're getting those things fulfilled for you at your job, then you might want to consider that there's a better way for you. You don't want to wait to start building the life that you've been dreaming of. You're ready to get started, then go ahead and visit my website, risewithrenee.com, or comment ready below, and let's take the first step together. Your next adventure and your next freedom are waiting. Don't wait to start building the life that you've been dreaming of, because nothing's going to happen if you do that. Visit my website, risewithrenee.com, or go ahead and comment info below, and let me show you how to take that first step together. I'll hold your hand, don't you worry, and I will get you learning and earning like I did. Your next adventure and your freedom are waiting for you. Thank you for being here today. Becoming a travelpreneur has been one of the most freeing decisions of my life. Imagine for a second if you could explore the world, make those memories, and earn income all at the same time, and you can create the life that you dream about. What does your best life look like? If you're not living your best life, go ahead and tell me down below, what does it look like to you? Click the link below or comment info now. Let's get you started. Let's get you started building your dream life. Let's do it together. I'm going to hold your hand through this. You're not alone. Your next adventure is really right around the corner for you, so let's get started. Let's get you on the path to living your best life the way that you dreamed of. Let's do it. Are you ready? Let's get started. I'm ready and I'm here for you, and I can't wait. The future is yours. Let's go get it.